Hello students and welcome to Science Space. Today through this video we will be studying a numerical from the topic molar conductivity. This topic is from the chapter electrochemistry from class 12. So read the question carefully from the upcoming slide and then try to find out the given data from the question. As you can see from the question, इस question में given है concentration of acetic acid which is represented by symbol capital C and its value is 0.01 molar. सेकेंड वैल्यू दिया हुआ है मोलार कंडक्टिविटी का फॉर एसिडिक एसिड at given concentration which is represented by lambda C. This C represents the given concentration that is 0.01 molar and it is for acetic acid which has formula CH3COOH. The value of this molar conductivity is 16.5 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. The next value that is given in the question is molar conductivity at zero concentration. Which is represented as lambda 0 for CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, and its value is 390.7 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. As you can see from the question, we have to find the values of first is alpha, that is called degree of dissociation, and second is Ka, which is called the dissociation constant for acetic acid. So for solving this question, we will use two formulas. The first will be the formula for alpha, that is called degree of dissociation, and its formula is molar conductivity at concentration C for an electrolyte upon molar conductivity at zero concentration for the same electrolyte. This is the formula for degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation का formula क्या होता है? molar conductivity at concentration C upon molar conductivity at zero concentration. So when we will put the values of these two molar conductivities in the formula of alpha, we will get 16.5 upon 390.7, and the final answer after calculating this value will be 0.0422. So this is the value of degree of dissociation, that is alpha. Now we will find the value of dissociation constant, that is Ka. So formula for this dissociation constant Ka is given by alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha. So we will use this formula here, alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha, जिससे हम लोगों को Ka मतलब डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन से हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू फॉर एसिडिक एसिड. So when we will put the values of alpha and C in this equation, we will get 0.0422 whole square into concentration का value है 0.01 molar upon 1 minus 0.0422. So on solving this, we will get the value of dissociation constant as 1.85 into 10 to the power minus 5. This will be the value of the dissociation constant of acetic acid, which will be a unitless quantity, similar to the value of degree of dissociation, that is 0.0422. This will also be a unitless quantity as it is a ratio of two same or similar quantities. So now go through the complete problem, and if you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You will find links to similar problems in the description box.